How to delete all viruses on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to delete all viruses on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with search. Now under search, you need to simply search for disk cleanup and click on it. Select the disk, go with OK, and you'll get this kind of interface, right? Now once you here, you just need to simply select all of these options. Make sure to check all of these options. Now you just need to simply go with clean up system files, and then you can clean up your system files. Once you've cleaned, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply press Windows and R keys together, and you will have a run command, which is right here. So you just need to simply enter run command, which is temp, and then hit the enter. Now here you will have all of your temporary files. So what you can do is just simply select all of these by pressing Control A, and then go with delete, and do this for all current items, and then go with skip, and it will delete all of the unwanted temporary files, and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is again go with your Windows and R, and now you just need to simply enter percentage temp and percentage and hit the enter. Now here also you will have all of your unwanted files, so you just need simply press Control A, and then go with delete. Do this for all current items, and then skip or try again. And after that, your problem will be fixed. And after that, the last thing you can do is just open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you just need to simply go with the virus and threat protection. Click on it. Now, once you search for virus and threat protection, it will take you to this kind of interface. You can simply go with quick scan, and you can scan if you have any viruses or if you have any threat protection in your device. So just go with quick scan, and it will scan and it will protect the updates, and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can delete all of your viruses in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.